into a cafe on a rainy day. I see a busy waiter passing by my way. Excuse me, I say it soft and clear. He turns around and comes a little near. Can you help me? I need help to find a seat. Of course he smiles. Right here. Please take a seat. I'd like some water and a menu too. No problem, he says, I'll bring it right to you. Please and thank you, words that open doors. Excuse me, sorry, words worth knowing more. Could you do me a favor? Just say it right. These simple words can brighten someone's day and night. I spill my water, oh no, all over the floor. I'm sorry, I say, feeling bad to the core. The waiter smiles and says, no problem, it's okay. Thank you, I whisper, as he walks away. Excuse me. Yes, can I help you? I need help, could you do me a favor? Of course. What do you need? I'd like some water, please. No problem, here you go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. I'm sorry. One more thing, please. Of course. No problem at all. Please and thank you, words that open doors. Excuse me, sorry, words were the more in yell. Could you do me a favor? Just say it right. These simple words can brighten someone's day and night. I finish up my coffee, time to go. I leave a little tip, I want him to know. Thank you for your help today, I say with a smile. You're welcome, he waves, come again, we'll make it worthwhile. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Thank you, you're welcome. I'm sorry. No problem. These words, they open every door.